So he was saying that 3 cheers famous in India.
Chai, chai.
नहीं बहुत महंगा है.
Chai, 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 chai.
And we have met Baba from Germany.
Indian Baba from Germany. नमस्ते. आप कैसा है? ठीक है.
So we were just having breakfast here and just having a conversation, and he knew like too much of Hindi. He also knew what to tell to the shopkeepers when he goes shopping in India.
नमस्ते. कितना पैसा चाय? नहीं बहुत महंगा है.
Yeah, today Sodi is busy chatting. So I have to make the breakfast.
I mean, I carry chillum too, you know. But
Here we go.
11 in the morning and we are finally leaving for Reykjavik. And Baba is with us. We'll be dropping him somewhere. So, like, really interesting fact about Baba, he has been traveling for the last 30 years. He has not gone back home. So he has been to India for 2 years and a lot of other countries. Really interesting and really inspiring. For me, like I see myself traveling full time.
Becoming Baba in a couple of years.
You have to grow some hair.
Yeah, so he was saying that 3 cheers famous in India.
Chai, chillum, chapati.
Yeah, chai, chillum, chapati.
And
Not the other one.
Not the fourth one.
Which would be...
It's really cloudy today.
Yeah.
Visibility is really low. Finding it difficult to drive. थोड़ी मैंने भी दिखाओ माना यार.
आ रहा तू?
आ रहा है मैं?
हाँ.
अच्छा. मुझे लगा मैं मेरे vlogs में ही नहीं आ रहा किते.
Which was your favorite place, like from all the countries that you have traveled?
Don't say India. Don't say India.
Don't say India. Like apart from India.
India.
India. Okay, so what's the best thing that you like about India?
I already told you.
Oh yeah.
What? Chillam?
Chai, chillam and chapati.
Chai, chillam, chapati.
Yes, sir.
Nah.
Chai too. Yeah, the people are amazing. You know?
Yeah.
People are amazing. See, we are amazing.
Kumbh Mela. You know?
Kumbh Mela. Did you see the sadhus?
Yeah, of course. They invited me to stay with them.
For the chillam?
Yeah,
Baba.
so, I was just passing by and some sadhu made a sign smoking chillum. So I stayed with them like for 5 days. You know?
Okay.
Sitting, smoking, sleeping with them. We went to eat, like sitting in long lines, you know, on the floor. Everybody got food on the banana leaf, and the food was nice too.
Yeah.
You know? Oh, I love like aloo gobi and paneer and masala and chai.
That's the best thing, like when you're traveling on the train.
Yeah.
Chai. Chai.
These little clay caps, you know, you just throw out of the window. You know?
Now you have to say Dil Dani Mada.
Dali Mara.
Dil means like I'm not bad at heart. Dil Dani Mada.
Dali Mara.
Dil da nahi Mada.
Del
Da,
da
nahi,
Mada.
Mara.
Tera
Del da ni Mara.
Tera Sidhu Moosewala. Okay, so we will do this. We'll say Dil Dani Mada and you will just say Tera Sidhu Moosewala. Can you try?
Tera Dusti Mara.
Rakusi Mara.
No, you have to. Okay, so
Maybe we should have a chillum first.
So I will say Dil Dani Mada. He will say Tera Sidhu, and then you will say just Moosewala. Okay.
Moosewala.
Yeah, like really loud, like you know.
Yeah.
Okay. Dil Dani Mada.
Tera Sidhu.
Moosewala.
O sada Instagram akhbar nahi. Yeah, it's like afternoon and we have reached Reykjavik. Finally we found someone who was ready to fix it. So Yeah.
Still costing money.
Still costing money. Like, we have to pay like 18,000 ISK for this. But the surgery is ongoing. And when I asked him that, will it be like completely invisible that it has been fixed? So he was not sure. So he said that if I'm not able to fix it properly, I'll not charge you. So we're just hoping for the best, that we don't have to pay for the whole windshield to the rental company. So we'll just, get it fixed. Yeah, this is the last night. This is the last night here in Reykjavik for me. Tomorrow I fly to Greenland. So yeah, we met after how many years? 6 years?
6.
Yeah, and we had a really good time drinking every night.
More or less.
But then we always had this thing at the back of our minds that we have to pay huge sums of money. This guy still has a job. I don't. But still.
Yeah, still doesn't help when you have to pay.
This guy is a software engineer. He works in the stock NASDAQ and stuff. So yeah, it's a filthy rich guy.
Oh yeah. Yeah, money all over. Yes.
Up north Lapland, there are lots of gravel on the street too. And everybody had something like attached to the windshield.
With a very sad heart, I need to tell you that it was not properly fixed. It's still a bit visible. But this guy is not charging us anything. That's the only good thing. I'm back at the same hostel in Reykjavik, and it's time to say goodbye to Baba.